How do you capture moments worth keeping? As the smallest 3-axis stabilized handheld camera DJI has ever designed, the compact and intelligent Osmo Pocket turns any moment into a cinematic memory. In just seconds, Osmo Pocket lets you share your life anywhere, anytime. In real time, it precisely adjusts for your movements, turning your handheld video of a golden sunset or your child's first steps into a movie-like scene. pH meter is a professional and very reliable handheld meter that is used for testing the pH level in a liquid solution. Professional quality, bright backlit LCD screen. Unlike economy models available. Add temperature readings, high practicability. If you are looking for a super accurate and reliable meter, this is the one for you. pH tells you when you need to add chlorine to your pool. Or when your wine or cheese is ready. Mechanical keyboards aren't something that everyone will love and understand the point of, but I have a feeling that some of you nerds might enjoy it. I have been using one since this summer, and man do I love it. The sound it makes alone is worth it, and the feeling of the precision sends shivers down my spine each time I use it. Definitely not overselling it here, ask any IT guy or research this online. They're truly amazing. Charge your phone no matter where you are in the world with this universal portable USB charger. The honorable mention in the last week's post made its job, and it made its way into the best-selling items list with over 8,000 orders. In case you missed it, it is a new round design, where the cable rotates so you can still comfortably hold your phone in your hand while it charges. The micro USB was the most popular option. If you lack smart things in your life, check out this minimalist smartwatch. It's running on Android, and the features include Bluetooth, a 0.3MP camera, a pedometer, sleep monitor, calendar and the ability to support Facebook and WhatsApp.